Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to download the WordPress website from your cpanel. Let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you simply need to log into your WordPress website. Once you get there, you simply scroll down, and you click on WordPress website manager. That's it here. Okay, once you get here, you simply need to choose the WordPress in which you want to download the backup. So click on this icon, you scroll down, and you are going to see backup. Click on it. So after which you simply scroll down, make sure you read this out. So you simply need to give the backup note. That's the name. Let me just say elect downloads. So once you're done with that, you simply need to scroll down, and you click on what? Backup installation. So it might take a while. Okay, once it has been complete, you simply click on what? Return to WordPress management. So after that, we are going to go back to our cpanel. So we'll scroll down, click on what? File manager. So we are going to scroll down, so we are going to see it here. This is a backup folder here. Click on it. So after that, you can simply download this. Click on what? Download. So guys, we just successfully downloaded our WordPress website. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next video. Peace out.